Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are looking for a quilt block that goes together real easy, this one might just be the one you are looking for. This one goes together so fast. It looks hard, but it is not. Come along and let me show you how I put this together. I start out by cutting 2.5-inch strips. I am going to need 5 strips and I am going to mix it up with different colors. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And then it is time to lay it out. Decide how you want to design yours, how you want the colors to go. I decided to put the yellows on the end, put 2 whites next to the yellow, and put the blue right in the middle. And then it is time to sew each row together. I am using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And then it is time to give it a good press. I like to press the seams towards the color. That way it doesn't show through the white. And then you want to measure how many inches it is for all 5 of these rows. Whatever that is, that's how long you need to cut it. You want it to be perfectly square. I cut mine at 11 inches. And then this is the fun part. Now you're going to want to crisscross and cut both ways, making an X across this block. There are a lot of different ways you could arrange this block, but I decided to do it with the X going across. I really like that pattern. It is fun to take 5 strips, cut it up, and you get this pattern. This is so much fun when it comes together like this. For each block, when I put them together, I just centered it into the middle because I wanted the 2 points to come together. Each square is measuring 7 inches. As you sew these together, you're going to want to make sure the seams are right there together from block to block. Just double check and make sure they're right where you need them to be. I like to trim up the block, make sure it is even on all four sides. This finished block measures 13 by 13. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And at the end of this video, I will put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And also, I'd like to thank you so much for watching.